Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through running Instagram ads for your Shopify store. Instagram ads can help you reach new customers and increase sales. So let's jump in. To begin, connect your Instagram account. Now, to do so, in Shopify, go to Settings. Just click on Settings here, right next to the gear icon at the bottom left. Then go to App and Sales Channels. Now select Facebook and Instagram. If you don't have it already, add it from the Shopify App Store. Just click on the Shopify App Store. You will be redirected to the Shopify App Store. Now you'll find it under Facebook and Instagram. And you can follow, click on here, and you can follow the prompts to install it. Next, create your ad. Just go to Facebook Ad Manager in the Facebook app and select Create for a new campaign. Choose traffic or conversions as your goal for promoting your store. Under placements, select manual placements and check only Instagram to target that audience. We'll do so in the Instagram app and Facebook app, this sequence. Now, lastly, set up your audience and budget. Use Shopify's customer data to define your target demographic. Set a daily lifetime budget and choose an ad format like single image, carousel, or story. Then finalize and publish your ad. And that's it. You've successfully set up Instagram ads for your Shopify store. Good luck with reaching new customers. If you like this video, click on like and subscribe and leave a comment if you have further more questions. Thanks for watching and see you again in the next tutorial.